What's up guys, welcome back to Wrench Avengers. Today we're going to be putting the transmission back into the truck. Aaron is here to help me out. He's not dead.
Not yet.
You remember him from the previous videos where we actually worked on his car and he helped me with my car, and his car was on a dyno and things. So let's get into it. Okay, flex plate is tight, torqued on to 60 foot-pounds, has some blue Loctite on the bolts, and now it's time for lunch.
Pizza time.
Alright, let's take a break. Okay, so we've got the cross member ready to go to mount up the back side of the transmission. So we're gonna put the cross member in and then get it bolted up, and we should be good to go.
Even the jack celebrates our win.
Right? Whee!
I'm gonna see my way out now.
That'd be great. Alright, so now the transmission's all in. Got a little bit more work to do to get it all finished up, but for the most part, that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Say bye to Aaron.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Pizza time.